Jellyfish.
Jellyfish can clone themselves.
Octopus.
An octopus has 3 hearts.
Crab.
The Japanese spider crab is the biggest, measuring about 12 feet.
Whale.
A blue whale's tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant.
Lobster.
Lobster chew with their stomachs.
Eel.
There are over 400 species of eel.
Seahorse.
Seahorse are among the only animal species on Earth in which the male bears the unborn young.
Dolphin.
Dolphin don't have sense of smell.
Turtle.
Behind the skin flaps, turtles have middle ear bones that direct vibrations down the ear canal.
Stingray.
Stingrays give birth each year.
Shrimp.
The pistol shrimp can deliver an explosive attack hotter than the surface of the sun.
Clownfish.
All the clownfish are born males.
Catfish.
A catfish has about 100,000 taste buds.
Starfish.
Starfish have no brain and no blood.
Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumbers breathe through their anus.
Squid.
Some species of squid can swim at speeds up to 25 miles per hour.
Lionfish.
Lionfish is diurnal animal, active during the day.
Shark.
Great white sharks can go weeks without eating.